My personal opinion is no government will satisfy common man.
No government will satisfy common man. This is a cynical, jaded voter. ये आप डोसा से खुश हो, नेता से खुश नहीं हो.
Yeah. दोता से कुछ हो. We are at Bangalore's famous Vidyarthi Bhavan, one of the most popular places to come and eat. As you can see, it's a full house even at this time of the morning. And this is a place that started in 1943 as a student eatery, and hence its name Vidyarthi Bhavan. And because this is the Dhabas of Democracy, a special series where we bring you literally all the flavors of democracy, I'm going to ask the local people here, what's the best thing that I should be eating this morning? So, ma'am, before we talk about anything else, what should I order?
You order for masala dosa?
Masala dosa. Is that the best here?
Best, very.
Best here. So when I was coming here, I saw a lot of lines outside and people queue up to have the butter masala dosa. That's what I read. So I am going to try and order that, sir. One butter masala dosa, please. Huh? One butter. We are just requesting, sir here. Sir, 2 minutes. Come here. 2 minutes. बटर मसाला डोसा कैसा है यहाँ का? अच्छा है तो मेरे लिए लाइएगा प्लीज एक फिल्टर कॉफी के साथ. Okay, so in the meantime, I'm going to come here and talk to all of you. Tell me, there are elections coming, yes? Last time, of course, the BJP swept Karnataka in the Lok Sabha elections. It took 25 out of the 28 seats. Can it repeat that according to you? Is the Modi factor still strong?
I feel it is still strong.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you like? Do you like the BJP? Do you vote for the BJP?
It is developmental activities I vote for.
Okay, so not Hindutva, not Ram Mandir.
Developmental activities I am voting.
So you associate the government with developmental activities.
Progressing developmental activities.
Okay, and as you can see, there are thali full of food still coming. I think that's the kesari bhat. You're going to tell me about this dish. What is this?
This is kesari bath, very tasty, made out of rava and ghee.
Rava and ghee, how can you go wrong with that? But it's somebody else's food, so I should put it back. Now, sir, you said Modi factor is still strong. Let's come here and ask ma'am. Ma'am, this is a state where the BJP swept 25 of 28 seats last time. But the Congress did quite well in the assembly elections and they're hoping that this time they'll perform better. Do you think that the Congress can perform better in Karnataka this time? Or do you think the Modi factor is still strong?
My personal opinion is no government will satisfy common man.
No government will satisfy common man. This is a cynical, jaded voter. ये आप डोसा से खुश हो, नेता से खुश नहीं हो.
Yeah. दोता से कुछ हो.
डोसा से खुश हो, वोटर से नेता से नहीं. So no.
What they promise, they do. And they, to my agony, because of the development metro, they cut so many trees. And
You're not happy.
not happy that they have spoiled Bangalore.
You're not happy with anyone.
Huh?
You're not happy with any politician. Okay, let's see if ma'am, this child here is too young to vote, but one day he's going to be a voter. What's your name?
Avyuk.
And how old are you?
7.
And do you know the name of the Prime Minister? Do you know the name of anybody? Any politician that you like?
Modi.
Modi. Okay, his parents are telling him to say the Prime Minister's name, but he's only 7 and we should not trouble him. Ma'am, now what is the factor that people will vote on? What is the most important issue to you? There are many issues in this election, right? 1 second, bacha. Unemployment, price rise, development, foreign policy, Ram Mandir, Hindutva. What is important to you?
As everybody says, development is the first one.
Yes.
And for youth, we have to encourage, whatever the government may be, they have to encourage the youths of this country because our youths are very intelligent. So no factor. Whoever comes, they have to encourage.
Who do you think will come this time?
It's a dilemma. I can't say anything.
You don't know?
It's a confusion factor.
Confusion.
Yeah, it's a confusion factor for Karnataka.
Ah, very interesting. She is saying no clear result in Karnataka, even though last time was very clear. This time you feel tight fight?
Yeah, 100%. It's a tight fight.
100% a tight fight. All right, ma'am. Thank you. And thank you, Bachchan. And thank you, sir. Sir, we haven't spoken to sir here. Sir, ma'am said there, this ma'am said, I don't like any politician. That ma'am, show that ma'am there. That ma'am said confusion, full confusion in Karnataka. What do you say?
I would say this, you like or you don't like, but you are with them.
Okay.
So you have to put the right people into the place.
So who are you with?
That you should. I would say that I would put for the actions because Mr. Modi is going the right direction. I don't say it's very good or something today, but he's going the right direction. And the direction country wants that direction.
What do you think he could do better?
He has so many other things now left.
Yeah.
So he has a lot of things to do in the foreign affairs.
Yeah.
He has things to do in the defense.
But one thing you like about his government and one thing you don't like.
One thing I don't like is the tendency towards the religion thoughts.
Religious divide. Very interesting. He says one thing he likes Modi, he likes the Modi government, but he doesn't like the religious divide.
Yeah,
and one thing you like, and one thing you like.
One thing I like is it's not one thing I can say, madam.
So you like?
Yeah, I like.
So you like
all the other actions. I would love.
So is it fair to say that you love many things about the Modi government,
Yes.
but you don't like the religious politics?
Religious politics I don't like.
Very important. For those who think Hindutva is getting the BJP votes, Hindutva doesn't matter to you.
Here I don't say that.
But you don't
as
like
such,
a divide.
I don't like to divide.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Well said.
Hindutva definitely matters to us. But no division.
Hindutva matters, but not religious divide.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Thank you, sir. Now, so much talk about young voters. Can I squeeze in? I'll come there. Are you guys old enough to vote?
Yeah.
You are? Okay, so I need the camera to come here. Okay. Okay. Don't be shy now. Okay. First tell me, let's talk about food. Let's talk about fun things. Okay, so I'm guessing, is this a sambar?
Yeah, that's sambar.
And what's the best thing to eat here?
Masala dosa.
Yeah, I've ordered my masala dosa and I'm still waiting for it. So I'm going to now see if it lives up to all the hype. But tell me one thing. Is this going to be the first election you'll be voting in?
No, this is my second.
Second? And what about you?
Second.
Second?
Second.
Okay, so these guys aren't the novices that they look. They look very young, but they're actually voting in their second election. So what do young people care about? What matters to you here? What do you decide your vote based on?
The economy and stuff.
Economy? What about you?
Same economy.
Economy? What about you?
Same.
Okay, they're all saying economy. So I'm going to ask you, who do you like? The last time the BJP did really well in Karnataka in the Lok Sabha. The Congress has done really well in the Assembly. So it's kind of interesting. Who is that dosa?
Right.
Ah.
Right dosa.
Okay, so let's actually show you. I'm not stealing your dosa, but this dosa is the reason that people line up to come here. It's a butter plain dosa, and Vidyarthi Bhavan is famous for this. And this is supposed to be the best dosa in town. और हमें भी एक खिला दो. नहीं? Okay. So I was talking to you and I was saying.
So,
Okay, no, sorry. Is that your dosa? No. I'm just joking. Start. That's mine. Thank you, sir.
basically, Congress did well in assembly elections because they offered like freebies and stuff. Mm-hmm. They got votes and the constituencies from rural areas. If you see the urban areas, it was all BJP in Bangalore itself. So this
You're
time,
talking about the assembly?
yeah. The Lok Sabha election, it's gonna be sweep for the BJP in Karnataka.
So you think it's going to be a repeat of what happened last time in the Lok Sabha?
For sure.
Are you a Modi fan?
Yeah, I am a Modi.
So tell me one thing you like about him, and also tell me one thing you'd want him to do differently.
One thing I want him to do different. I guess he needs to focus more on the south also. That's all.
He's been trying very hard to build a presence in the south.
Yeah, because the south has more the local parties more than the BJP, and Karnataka is ruled by Congress, so they need to put in
More
efforts.
effort.
Yeah,
What do you like about Modi, since you're a Modi fan?
he's been a great leader, and the foreign affairs and everything, he's handled it perfectly.
And something you want him to do differently is focus more on the south.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay. Girls, are you going to now just be looking into your phones and let the boys do all the talking? Huh? That's not how we roll, right? We are talkative women.
Yeah.
It's your second election. Who do you like?
Modi.
Tell me why. Like, what do you like?
Best till date, right?
Huh?
He has been the best.
Is there something you really like about him and something you'd want him to do differently?
Instead of simply doing loose talks, he actually does what he says.
Okay, that's what you like.
Yeah.
And something you'd want to improve?
Like maybe like last elections, like how they lost, they should have done something more.
In assembly, you.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we let you eat your dosa. Can I bother you? Okay. So we have here, everybody eats the same thing here is what I've noticed. So I think basically people come here for the butter masala dosa, which I'm trying very hard to get one for myself. But I've got to show you how crowded the Vidyarthi Bhavan is. Just look at it. And you can also see all the old pictures on the wall of icons of India. I spot Sam Manekshaw there. And, so many other famous faces that are lining up the walls here. An iconic eatery of Bangalore. At the dhabas of democracy, we promised you we will bring you the flavors of democracy. Great local food, but also local voices. Not a media that is run from Delhi, but is actually run from the heart of where the story is. So hi, my name is Barkha. What's your name?
Hello.
Okay, hi, nice to meet you. Firstly, does everybody eat the same thing here?
Yes, they all come for the dosa here.
So can you tell me, can I hold up your dosa?
Sure.
So this is kind of like, it's like a slightly fatter, thicker dosa than the ones we used to in Delhi, because I guess we poor Delhiites, we only get Sagar, no offense Sagar, but we only get Sagar or Sarvana Bhavan versions of dosa. And it comes with this coconut chutney. Sambar is actually not much of a staple here. What's special about the dosa?
It's the best. It's the best. Actually, it's the crispiest.
Okay.
And it's the tastiest. And they have not changed it over a period of time. That's it.
For like decades, it's
For
been
like
the same.
decades, yeah.
Okay, I'm dying to get my teeth into one. Are those your parents?
No.
They're just somebody else sitting
Yeah.
there. Okay, so this is also very nice about Bangalore. I thought that this couple were his parents. But here they're just sharing a table in dosa happiness, sharing dosa happiness.
Yeah.
So tell me,
Getting a table here is
very difficult. Yes, I saw the lines outside. So tell me this. What's it looking like politically?
Politically, it looks like BJP.
Okay.
But hope so. It's around 370. That's what I hope so. But
Are you a Modi fan?
not a fan, but fan of his work and where he has put up India on the world map. So there's a lot of improvement too.
Now, the Congress did very well in the assembly, and they're hoping that some of that ramification will be felt in the Lok Sabha. Why does Karnataka, you think, vote different at the state level and different at the national level?
Yeah, it depends on the local leaders. It depends on the regional leaders who are doing a good job from Congress as well. So people stick to them. So you'll see a difference between center and the state.
So at the local level, you like the leaders?
Yes, but when it comes to the national, it's always been BJP who has been doing well recently, for the past 10 years at least. So.
Now, the Prime Minister has tried very hard to make his presence felt in the South. There's a BJP mission South. It's gone. Karnataka, of course, it did very well, but it's tried to make its presence felt in states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu. But southern states, people we meet here, they tell us we are very different. We're not like you northerners. How do you think the BJP's mission South is going?
Mission South has been good, but there is a lot of road to be catched up. I know they are coming up with some of the leaders who are dedicated to improve the BJP side. If you say Annamalai in Tamil Nadu
I just met him, in fact.
Yeah. So in Karnataka, it's been few other leaders, but they are all aged, to be frank. we are looking for new, like Tejasvi Surya, which has come up now.
Yeah.
And in Kerala, I'm not sure. I don't
Yeah.
think.
Okay, tell me one thing. One thing you like about the Modi government, one thing you'd want them to do differently or better.
One thing I like is they're putting up India in a better way in a world map, wherein we are able to tell that we are progressing, and there are a lot of improvements. They need to get to the grassroots. It's only has been a surface level. They need to go to the grassroots and understand people's issues and address them.
Is Ram Mandir an issue here?
It's not an issue.
Not an issue.
No.
Ram Mandir is not an issue, says this man who says, I'm not a fan, but I'm a qualified supporter
Yeah.
of the Prime Minister.
Yes.
But I don't mind the Congress at a local level. State is different,
Yes.
national is different. Thank you. I'm going to let you get on with your dosa. Hello, sir. I must try and talk to you also. My name is Barkha. I am from Delhi, sir.
Yeah, I know.
How are you, sir? How's the dosa, sir?
It's very good.
Sir, is this dosa best in India?
Definitely.
What is different about it?
See, there's a very crispy dosa.
Very crispy, huh?
Yeah.
Sir, what is going to happen politically? What do you think in Karnataka and in India?
That I can't say anything.
You're not going to tell? Is ma'am going to tell us?
No.
Tell us what you think. What do you? Don't tell us who you're going to vote for, but tell us your analysis.
See, it's something like that. There's a different view of the central as well as state.
Yeah.
So people have their own sort of strategy. So it varies from person to person.
Fair enough. Some people want to remain private about their political opinion. Thank you, sir. Please enjoy your dosa. Let's go and talk a little bit to the owner of the place. Hello. But on the way, we can talk to some other people. There's a young woman here, doesn't want to talk. You want to talk? You're shy.
No, just
Don't be conscious. Don't be conscious. My name is Barkha. I'm from Delhi. I'm here to cover the elections, but also to have some great food.
Okay.
Did you love the dosa?
yes, of course.
And what did you like about it?
The crispiness.
Everyone says that the different thing about the dosa here is the crispiness. So I've got to really try it. I'm imagining the butter in it also helps.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, now tell me, are you a voter? Are you old enough to vote?
Yes.
What is the issue that matters most to you as a young Indian?
To be honest, I'm not very into.
What do you do? What do you do?
I have my own business.
Okay, so as a young woman running a business, what matters most to you? What do you want to see happen in the country?
I think like forgetting the business part, the infrastructure could be something that has to be.
And Bangalore traffic?
Yeah, definitely. I think the infrastructure definitely would help the traffic also. Yeah.
Thank you and good luck. Good luck to you. So here is where the dosas are being made, is it? यहाँ पे बन रहा है? 1 minute. What is happening here? यहाँ पे क्या बन रहा है?
कॉफी टी
कॉफी और टी, फिल्टर कॉफी.
फिल्टर कॉफी
आप बना के दिखाएगा, एक बनाओ ना हमारे लिए. So you can't come to Karnataka and not have the filter coffee, and the way it's made is an art in itself. हमें थोड़ा बताओ ये filter coffee कैसे बनता है? कैसे बनता है? अभी क्या डाला आपने इसमें?
कॉफी डिकॉक्शन
Let's come closer. This is a coffee decoction.
और मिल्क
Milk. Okay. Okay. अभी उसको आप ऐसा करोगे? करो ना. वो जो करते हो ना. Now he's going to do the thing you have to do to the filter coffee to sort of give it a good word. Oh, he's making another. एक दूसरा बना रहे हो? एक second बना रहे हो? पर वो जो ऐसा कटोरी में डाल के वो ऐसा करते हैं ना, आप करोगे हमारे लिए? Okay, here's Arun. Now Arun.
He only prepares like this.
Okay, Arun, can you do it?
Customer has to do
I'll
this.
drop it if I do it. There. Customer has to do it.
Yeah.
I thought I'd drop it if I do it. So I want to introduce everybody to Arun. Arun, can you turn around and look at our camera? Yeah. This is Arun, who runs the iconic Vidyarthi Bhavan. And everybody has said that they come from everywhere to eat the dosa. I've asked everybody, what is special about the dosa? Now you tell me.
No, our dosa is also like little bit different in the way we prepare. It's quite thick and crispy.
Okay.
And because that consistency is maintained, people like it.
Okay, now tell me a little bit about all the portraits we see on the wall.
See, these are some of the portraits and all the famous people who have contributed for the growth of our state Karnataka in various fields.
I see.
It's not that they have come to Vidyarthi Bhavan, but most of them have come to Vidyarthi
I
Bhavan.
saw Sam Manekshaw's portrait also.
Exactly. He is a Kannadiga who has contributed in the field of defense.
And most have eaten here also?
Most of them.
Now, this is a very old place. It's here since 1943, I think.
Yes.
And it started as an eatery for students. Right?
Exactly. It started as a small student's canteen, and he's my dad.
Oh, wait, we have to meet Dad. Namaste, namaste. So this is the senior promoter of Vidyarthi Bhavan. Sir, आपका नाम, name?
Ramakrishna Adiga.
Ramakrishna जी.
Adiga.
Ramakrishna Adiga. Ramakrishna Adiga, ये जो अपना ये जो जगह, हिंदी बोलो, इंग्लिश बोलो, हिंदी चलेगा? You will translate for me. Can you both face the camera? रामकृष्ण जी, मैं अरुण से पूछ रही थी, डोसा यहाँ का सबसे अलग डोसा का बारे में distinct क्या है? Can you translate what I'm asking?
Dosa ಏನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ?
Please. Acha, okay, he's leaving you to do all the talking, but here's a stack. It's like a stack of pancakes. It looks actually like a stack of pancakes. How is he? इतना सारा कैसा पकड़ रहे हो?
दो साल में
कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 1 minute, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This gentleman, what's your name?
सुरेश
Is holding 14 dosas in one go. Please, I don't want to stop you. Thank you. Okay.
Heavy and hot.
Huh?
Heavy and hot.
I have to eat one. Now, Arun, what's happening politically here? What do people care about the most in Karnataka?
See, for different elections, it would be different reasons.
Yeah.
But this time around, in urban, at least people are aware that this is for a larger picture, is for the nation. You are choosing the leader for the nation. So that awareness at least is there. Though it may not be well in certain other pockets, here at least people are aware.
So you're saying a national election is very different from a state election.
Definitely.
So is the Modi factor still dominant?
Quite a bit.
And what do you personally like about him, and one thing you'd want him to do differently?
One thing I want him to do differently is definitely want to be more reciprocative, and he should make people know what is being done.
Okay.
Because most of the time he is silent.
Okay.
But what I like about him is definitely he's taking. He has made a lot of us proud in so many different ways. Yes, still there is a lot to go. But at least we are happy that no big scams are there in the last 10 years.
Is Ram Mandir an issue?
Perhaps to some, not to everybody.
Is it to you?
To a certain extent.
What is the most important issue then?
For these elections.
For you as a voter?
For me as a voter, definitely each person, wherever he is living, should take pride in what is happening around him and the safety of it. Irrespective of whether the local government is a double-engine sarkar or a different one, people should feel safe. And development should be there, and no politics should be there if it is a different government in the center and different in
So the
state.
Congress did quite well here in the assembly, and people voted one way in the assembly, one way maybe in the national, we don't know, but the Congress is hoping to repeat some success.
Definitely, everyone is hopeful of doing better this time.
But are you a Modi fan?
Personally, yes.
Firstly, yes. Okay. Thank you for talking to us. And I'm going to talk to one or two more people, and then finally at least savor the famous dosa. Hello. And let's just walk outwards. You can see all the way through. I want to just give you a sense, if you turn around, how crowded the place is. Getting a table here is very difficult. So many people are sharing tables. And sorry. Many people are sharing tables. And I'm going to come here. I'm going to ask the camera to just come here. Hello, ma'am. My name is Barkha Dutt. I've come from Delhi to cover the elections and also to eat some good food. So are you also ordering the dosa?
Yes. Dosa.
Everyone only orders one thing. I have not been to any table where anyone has ordered anything else. Now, I've asked everybody what they like about the dosa. They say it's very crispy. What do you like about the dosa?
I come first time here.
Oh, you come first time here. Okay. Are you all from here? You're from outside? You're from outside Karnataka?
Yeah, I'm from here.
Okay. So what do you think is going to happen? Who's winning the election here?
Well, here election is tough to predict.
It's a close fight?
Yeah, it's a close fight.
Okay. So ma'am here thinks that it's a close fight, and we are going to let her sort of stay in peace. There are young kids also out. Hi, can we talk to you for 2 minutes? Okay. So I'm going to just come here. Sorry to disturb you. You're finally eating something that doesn't look like a dosa. I have finally found someone here who's eating something different from a dosa. So can we show our audience?
This is puri, and we order puri or rava order or vada when we are waiting for dosa.
So he's still going to eat the dosa, but while the dosa comes, he is eating puri. Can you tell us about the puri?
Yeah,
And I want the camera to come this side. Please.
I mean, the dosa, all the puri or vada, rava vada, everything is the best in the world, is what we feel. And
What is you're having the puri with what?
puri sabji, vegetable sabji and chutney.
But you're waiting for the dosa.
Yes, yes.
Puri sabzi is only a appetizer to the dosa. Now, sir, may I know your name?
Karthik.
Karthik. So Karthik, I'm going to just try and sit this way so we can see, everyone can see you. Karthik, as a young voter, what matters to you the most in this election?
It's MP election, so it's not just about the local constituency, also the country, all the leadership in the country matters.
So who do you think is going to do well here, considering the BJP swept last time, but then the Congress did very well in the assembly? Whose favor is the election going in?
In local, I mean, Bangalore South here, I think it's BJP. They are predominantly, I mean, Tejasvi Surya is quite active here. So I think, I see kind of he being active now as well. So.
And what do you like about the BJP, and what is the one thing you'd want them to do different?
I think more voice should be given to the local politicians as well, is what I feel. They are given anyway, but the central party is mainly the main, they are predominant in the country and they are doing well as well, is what I feel.
Is the Ram Mandir an issue?
I'm not sure.
Is it an issue for you?
No.
No. So a lot of people here, they say, oh, it's Ram Mandir is good, but it's not an electoral issue. I think, what's the most important issue for you as a voter? You seem to be someone who supports the Modi government. Am I right in assessing that?
Not exactly. I mean, I'm in favor of the Modi as Prime Minister. I mean, he's doing good is what I feel.
Okay. So what is the thing you like best about him?
He being on the ground, I mean, he's everywhere is what I feel like.
Okay. He works hard.
Yeah, that's what we see.
Okay, so one is hearing here is that religious issues are not really much of an issue. By the way, I'm going to show you a sneak peek there. That's where the famous dosas are being prepared. With Arun's permission, I'm just going to show one shot of that from here only. Yes, can we? No shoes. I'm going to take my shoes off and go. Can I? Okay. Hello. Look at how many dosas are being prepared at the same time. This is the world famous butter masala dosa of Vidyarthi Bhavan being made here. And I've just got to try it. We saw people carrying out 14 at a time. हेलो नमस्ते
नमस्ते मैडम
ये डोसा के बारे में क्या खास बात है कैसे बनाते हैं इसको आप
हिंदी बोला
हाउ डू यू मेक दिस डोसा
हिंदी बोला सर
Okay, language is a little bit of a barrier, but I'm going to leave him. What did he say? What is the preparation sort of ritual? Like how long before the batter, something about that? Can you turn it around? Yeah.
Batter is definitely prepared 12 hours before.
12 hours.
Because your fermentation has to take place.
Okay.
So the dosa being prepared now, this dosa, the batter is prepared yesterday evening.
Wow.
And for today morning, that batter is prepared.
Wow. So I have still not tasted a dosa.
You should
now
taste.
I have to sit and try and taste a dosa.
You want to see how he carries it?
Yes.
Start stacking it.
Okay, let's see how the dosa is carried. Can the camera move in? You're going to see now how they actually carry the dosa, sometimes 14 plates at a time. It's extraordinary. Up to 16. You can see all the masala is being put on each of the individual dosas. And now you'll see this gentleman here. आपका नाम बताओ? भोजराज अभी कितना एक बारी में लेके जाओगे?
20
नहीं 20
हाँ.
मैं काउंट करूंगी अभी हम देख रहे हैं ये सेइंग कि 20 लेके जाएंगे ओह माय गॉड उसमें से एक मैं चोरी करूंगी ठीक है एक मैं चोरी करूंगी okay one I am going to steal from this 20 so one customer will have to wait but I've got to see how he's going to do this. So this is Vidyarthi Bhavan, an iconic eatery of Bangalore, famous for its butter masala dosas. You can see dosas being stacked here one by one. Now we're going to see how this happens. That's 2. I'm going to count them. Keep count with me. That's 3. That's 4. Oh my God. I'm going to take a photograph with this hero. That's 5. I'll stand with him and after he stacks up 20 like he's saying. He's really taken the challenge now, I think.
But
6.
He has prepared only 16.
Okay, so 16 is good enough. Okay, I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 8, 9. Oh my God. 10. Please don't fall. 11. He won't fall, no? Okay. I'm very worried now for him. 12. 13. And oh my God, before he goes, I have to get a photograph with this hero here. That's 15. Oh my God. Come, sir. Come, sir. One photograph we have to take. क्या नाम बताया दोबारा?
Bhojraj.
Bhojraj is stacking 16 butter masala dosas in one go. He's a trapeze artist. He's an acrobat. He's a hero. मुश्किल नहीं लग रहा?
Thank you.
गिरेगा तो नहीं?
Thank you.
Okay, one photograph. You've got to get one photograph for the album, and that is me following Bhojraj in the hope of one. तो मैं लूँगी, एक मैं लूँगी, एक मैं लूँगी, एक मैं लूँगी. मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ एक डोसा लेने की. एक मैं ले लूँ, एक मैं ले लूँ, एक मैं ले लूँ. So I have finally got hold. I'm going to come and sit here. I have finally got hold of the dosa that everybody's been telling me is the best in the world. It is indeed. Let the camera come closer. It's let me show you. It's actually thick. So when you try and break a piece, it's very thick. It's a very, very thick dosa, thick and crispy. One second. Now I'm getting the coconut chutney here. 1 minute. So this is the butter plain dosa. I have no words left, but there's a young boy here who wants to talk to me. Come. Come here. Come here. So, what's your name?
Raghura.
Huh?
Raghura.
Raghura. And yours?
Jagan.
And what's your age? How old are you?
7.
7. And you? Age? 8 years, 7 years?
12.
7 and 12. And what do you want to be when you grow up? क्या बनना चाहते हो? What do they want to be? Dreams? पूछो sir.
They want to express their opinion about Modi.
They want to express their opinion. Okay. Who do you like?
Modi ji.
Modi ji. You like Modi ji? And you?
Modi ji.
Okay. So Prime Minister has some young fans, and I think I should offer them some dosa. Dosa? Have?
We ordered them.
Never mind. They can share mine. Share. No, I'll give you all. I can't have so much. You have more. No, come on, have more. No, have more. Okay, this is Barkha Dutt with 2 young fans of the Prime Minister signing off from Vidyarthi Bhavan. Amazing place. Amazing dosa. This is a great edition of the dhabas of democracy. Namaskar and hello everyone. Welcome to a ride through the heart and the soul of India. क्योंकि जब इलेक्शन सीजन आता है तो कौन जीता, कौन हारा, कौन आगे, कौन पीछे, ये बातचीत तो होती ही रहती है. But it's also a time for travel and meeting people and getting to know your own country better. So, welcome to the dhabas of democracy, where every bite tells a story, where every conversation will spice up your day. Experience the masala, the flavor, the swad of this election with us as we take a unique road trip from the south to the north of India, traveling thousands of kilometers to bring you the flavor of this election.